So why we encourage you guys to take the program, it's not only about the money, guys, trust me. But money is good, really. For us na mga mahihirap no na yumaman because of the program. Correct? For example, I want to encourage, recognize Ate Lara. Palakpakan niyo naman. Loud. Imagine, I know where she came from. But there was 1 week she showed me, ang commission niya 1 week lang, almost 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
Correct? So para sa iba, barya yun. Pero para sa kanya, it's a breakthrough. Nakukuha niyo ba? Natin? I have one distributor. I knew where he came from. And then he just showed to me, 1 week niya, 100,000. 98,000 something. For somebody, 100,000 barya lang. But for him, it's a breakthrough. So what we're doing here, we're giving, sabi mo, breakthrough. Ang trabaho natin is to give breakthrough to people eh. Maring ang breakthrough mo, 1,000 pesos lang. Eh ano? Breakthrough mo yan eh. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Huwag mo mamalitin yun. Nakuha po natin? That's our job. So if you fully understand our responsibility here, it's basically human empowerment. Sabi mo, empowerment. Nag-empower tayo ng mga tao kung ano-ano mang anggulo. Are you into charity? Are you into sports cars? I don't care. Kung saan ka masaya, supportahan kita. That's what mentoring program is.
DM us and let's start your 90-day journey to financial breakthrough.